So the question was asked, tell me about intervertebral disc. Intravertebral disc is a highly organized structure which is between two vertebrae. It is basically a cartilaginous structure. It is the two vertebrae and adjoining articular disc makes a single spinal unit. It's act as a shock absorber, reduce the strain, and allow optimal weight distribution. It consists of annulus fibrosus and nucleus pulposus. Annulus fibrosus is outside layer and the nucleus pulposus is inside layer, while they are attached with end plate with Sharpe fibers which are extending from the annulus fibrosus towards the vertebral joint. The two components of the vertebral segment, that is nucleus pulposus and annulus fibrosus, have different characteristics. For example, the type of collagen in annulus fibrosus is type 1, while in nucleus pulposus it is type 2. The fibers are crisscross arranged in the annulus fibrosus, and they are sheet of 30 degree to each other. They act as giving tensile strength, while the nucleus pulposus has high level of prostaglandins and it gives the compressive strength. Moreover, the vertical forces which are traveling to the spinal segment are transferred by hoop stresses, and that is generated by the nucleus pulposus itself. So invariably, if the disc with aging desiccates and dehydrate, it will not function normally. Moreover, with arthritis, the water content will increase and it will not function normally. For us as orthopedic surgeons, we are more interested in the injury and the pathology, which can be a prolapsed disc, extruded disc, or a sequestered disc. A prolapsed disc is a disc in which the annulus fibrosus is still intact. When the annulus fibrosus is still intact, it's called a bulge. Prolapse is when there is a dent which is created and the nucleus pulposus is coming out nearly through the annulus fibrosus. Then it is extruded when it is outside and it's already ruptured the annulus fibrosus, and it's sequestered where it is in the spinal canal itself. The latest advantage is to replace the disc itself. The concept comes up similarly like other arthroplasties. It is an organized structure which is made of either metal or a plastic sort of a component, and it functions to create space after discectomy in which it is placed and allow for stability while stability post-operatively.